Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Google Sites and choosing the site you'll edit. This gets you straight into the editor. Once done, pick the target page and, if needed, the precise section where the link should land so you avoid rewrites later. Make sure you have edit rights, otherwise you can't create persistent links. Now, click the page you want to add the link from and select the text or element that will become the clickable link. This is your first actionable step. Next, highlight the text or select the image or button you'll link. This is where you tell Google Sites where users should go. Click the link icon or press Ctrl+K, then pick a page from the Pages list for internal linking or paste a full URL for external destinations. You can also link to a section anchor by using the page plus hash anchor pattern. This helps users land in the right spot. After selecting, confirm, and finally preview your site and then publish so links become live for visitors. This step makes the change public. If a link doesn't work, first check for typos in the URL and confirm the target page's permissions. Private pages won't open for others. For in-page anchors, ensure the section has a matching ID or named anchor. Without it, the jump won't land correctly. If problems persist, edit the link and reselect the target to reset the path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.